Hi there, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's vlog. So first of all, I want to talk about the book The Daily Stoic by Ryan Holiday that he co-authored with Stephen Hanselman. So you can call this book a daily devotional book. So for every single day there are some lessons based on Stoic philosophy. So if you are interested in Stoicism and Stoic philosophy, then this book is a must. So this book is divided in 3 parts, and for every single month there is a theme. So for example, the month January is all about clarity, then February is about another topic which is all about passions and emotions, March is about awareness. So every month has a different theme, and for every single day you get to read some words of wisdom and a quote by a Stoic philosopher. Now, in my opinion, I think that if you are someone who is just starting out with self-help books and who is just starting to read non-fiction, then this book will be really amazing, because all you have to do is read one single page, and for every single day you will get to read a quotation by a Stoic philosopher, and then there is commentary by the authors below that, and the commentaries are so insightful and so wise. Trust me, this one book is enough for you to understand Stoic philosophy. You don't have to read multiple books, and I think it's a great way to start your day as well, because you just have to read one page, right? And you will learn so much. So yeah, I highly recommend this book. Definitely check this out. Now moving forward, I want to share with you my most favorite sandwich recipe. It's a very easy recipe, and that's why I recorded it. I really wanted to share with you. So the best part is that there are very few ingredients that goes into making this sandwich. So first we will put a little bit of garlic, then onions, and then a little bit of salt, not a lot because we are going to give cheese in this one also. So after like frying the onion a little bit, we will add the capsicums, and you can obviously cut them as per your likings, but I like cutting them this way. So after, when it's fried, you have to add a little bit of cumin powder and red chili powder, and then just stir fry it a little. And when it's soft, and like if you like it crunchy, then it's completely up to you, but I like it soft and cooked. So it's ready, as you can see, not very fancy but very simple. And then you will need a little bit of ketchup and sliced cheese, Amul sliced cheese, and obviously bread. This is simple white bread, but if you want you can also get brown bread. Alright, so now we will assemble the sandwich, and first I will smear a little bit of ketchup, not a lot, otherwise it will get soggy and I don't like that. And then we will place the filling, not a lot, little bit. I don't like stuffing my sandwich a lot. And then we will add one slice of cheese. I think cheese brings so much taste into everything. I applied a tiny bit of oil to the pan, otherwise the sandwich would stick. And when you see that the edges are getting crispy, you can flip the sandwich and then cook the other side as well. And the sandwich is ready. It's such a simple recipe, not a lot of ingredients are required, and it's actually very tasty. So you should definitely try this recipe, and I especially wanted to share it with you because this is my favorite and I love making this, and it's also so easy. So if you are a lazy person like me, then you should definitely try this. Also, by the way, I'm reading the Daily Stoic right now. Alright, moving forward, I had this empty ketchup bottle that I wanted to use, and I wanted to make a decor piece out of it. So I just cleaned it, and then I'm making these small flowers all over it. I had 3 different colors, yellow, red and blue. So I made different flowers all over the bottle. So if you are wondering which color I used the acrylic colors, and they are quite opaque, although the red ones were more opaque than the blue ones, so that's one thing. Anyway, then I added some leaves wherever I had place. I painted some leaves there with the green colors, and they look really nice. Now I know, as you can see, it's not perfect. It does not have to be. Just draw your heart out. It does not have to be perfect. If you are not comfortable with flowers, you can also paint polka dots. So the main thing is the lights that you're going to add. So I inserted some fairy lights inside it, and it looks so beautiful. Like, you can just throw away the bottle, right? But by painting a few flowers and adding fairy lights, this thing became so beautiful, and you can light it up in the evening and it will add such a beautiful look to your room. So I think that's great, and the painting is not doing anything. It's definitely the lights that is bringing out this beautiful look out of this bottle. So definitely try this if you have any empty sauce bottle or whatsoever. I think it's really cool. Alright guys, so that was all for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and found it valuable. You can also follow me on Instagram. I go by the name book_junction, and if you haven't subscribed to me yet, then you can definitely subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.